What I've got here is a pump power sprayer. Thought I'll pick one up and give it a try to see if it's any good. This one costs around £10 for an 8 litre capacity bottle. It states it's ideal for home and garden use with water based products. Can wash vehicles too. No electric, no hose pipes. I believe this would be good only in emergency uses. Watering the plants. You can use it as a disinfectant sprayer or taking it with you when you're going camping. Anyway, let's check this out. Inside the box you will get instructions on the items and installation, which is pretty straightforward. A brush attachment, a lance extension, the spray itself with a 2.5 meter hose length, a packet of fixings with a spray nozzle. So twist off the lid, add water or any liquid detergents, place the lid back on and pump until you can't pump anymore. And twist and lock the handle in. Release the pressure if necessary or when you are finished with your tasks. Attach the lance and the head. Now you can use the trigger to spray. If you hold down on the trigger and push forward, it will lock itself in for a consistent spray. Now the spray itself I wouldn't recommend for cleaning the garden, outdoors, around the house or even the car. Maybe a small job will do. An 8 litres of water tank will last you a few minutes of a wash. Now after using this sprayer I've come to know that at times, even when I've pumped in the air to its max with less than 8 litres of water inside, the sprayer doesn't consistently carry that power of spray. I mean, sometimes it will work and sometimes it won't. Or maybe I've got a bad batch of losing its air quickly. Anyway, I'm done with this. Time to get the real machine out. Now the only thing I can think of when I will actually use this is when I'm disinfecting an area, or using this as a car soap sprayer, or even taking it with you when you're going camping. Spend a bit more extra and you get yourself a pressure washer, in which you can attach a detergent to. Has different nozzles for different tasks, saves you time and gets the job done. No need to pump and spray and refill over again. So guys, whether you want a pump spray or a pressure washer, depending upon your task, the choice is yours. Take care, peace.